The news released yesterday created mixed fundamentals. On the one hand, futures on US stock indexes are trading lower after a failed attempt to update new historic highs. On the other hand, the US economy eased the pace of growth considerably in the third quarter. Thus, bears were setting the tone in Asian markets today. This overshadows bullish prospects of financial markets. Now, let's discuss the latest developments. The US dollar index came under strong pressure yesterday, declining to 93.40. The world's reserve currency incurred heavy losses against its rivals. The culprit of the greenback's slump was downbeat data on the US gross domestic product. So, investors gave a negative response. The global trend for the US dollar will clear up next week because the US Fed will announce its decisions on monetary stimulus. Meanwhile, analysts warn that the US dollar index is unlikely to climb. It's set to oscillate at around 93.50. The dollar-yen pair is carrying on with its decline, though it made a minor upward correction yesterday. Today, the currency pair might dip to 113.30 from the current level of 113.60. The dollar-yen pair is likely to go on trading with such swings until it reaches its main target at 113.15. In fact, contraction in Japan's industrial production accounts for the yen's weakness. Earlier today, traders found out that the indicator plummeted 5.4% in September. This is one of the worst figures recently. The Australian dollar is rising in confidence against its American counterpart. Now the currency pair is trading at near point 75.45. It could climb several pips until tonight, so the overall trend is firmly bullish. Perhaps the Aussie's strength is also supported by retail sales data released in Australia at the beginning of the Asian session. Now let's make a conclusion. The US stock market developed a steady rally in the recent days on the back of upbeat corporate earnings reports. At the same time, the US dollar has been losing ground against major currencies. Yesterday, the ECB decided not to cancel its massive stimulus program. Such an outcome does not contribute to the strength of the European currencies. Stay tuned.